Hey guys, this is Jacob again with Grower Solution, and today we're going to talk about which style and size house is going to be right for you. Now, we offer 6 different styles, and here you can see some of them. It's going to depend on whether or not you're growing for family, for your home, for your neighborhood. Are you a market gardener? Are you a commercial grower? There's a lot of factors with that. Do you live in a very high wind area? Do you live in an area that gets a lot of snow? There's a lot of things that have to keep in consideration whenever you're picking the right size style. Now, we do offer the traditional Quonset, which is your standard hoop house, and then we offer a 3.5-foot low sidewall and a 7.5-foot high sidewall, our Glacier Series, which we designed years ago for snow load, which is perfect for the areas with high winds and high snow. We have our 3.5-foot Super Duty that comes in 30-foot and 32-foot, which is great for commercial growers, for hemp growers, market gardeners. If you need to get a tractor in and out, that's going to work out really good for you. And back to the tractor, the high sidewall is perfect for that if you're needing to get in a yard tractor or a small Kubota, or even like a Massey 135 you can fit in there. So it just depends on what your needs are on that. Now, as far as the size goes, don't outstretch your budget. But one thing that I always have customers come back to us saying, we wish we would have went a little bit bigger because we outgrew the greenhouse so quick. The good thing about that is our greenhouses, you can add in 4-foot increments. Very, very easy. So even if you wanted to add on, say maybe 8-foot or 12-foot in additional years, that's not an issue. It's not a problem. You can just call us, just tell us what size house you have, what style house, and we'll get you the right parts. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk around our little demo house property right here, and we're going to show you each one of our houses that we have put up on site right now. Now, what I'm in front of right now, this is our Glacier Series. This comes in 30-foot wide, and this is actually my favorite series house because they're pretty much bulletproof. They are perfect against wind, they're perfect against snow. Any element that's thrown at it, it pretty much handles very well. It's all 1 5/8 tubing with 1 3/8 purlin as well. Right now, what I'm standing in front of is a 24-foot high sidewall house. It's 24, I'm wanting to say it's 82 foot in length, 84 foot in length, somewhere in that area. But as you can see, it has plenty of center height. You can get the upgraded metal trusses in here, and you can do a lot of stuff with this, whether or not you're needing to get a tractor in and out, if you want to do vertical growing. Like I said, a lot of the hemp guys like it because it gives them plenty much of headspace. But this house, and like I said, is earlier dealing with the weather conditions. A house like this, it'll do good with snow. You just got to remember to go and knock it off, or if you're going to heat it. And as far as high winds, if you live in a very high wind area, this is probably not going to be the best structure for you, and you want to go to our low sidewall house. Now, the series I'm in front of right now is our low sidewall series. It's got 3.5-foot sidewalls, as you can see, before it goes into the curve. So this house is perfect if you're wanting to have tables or benches, or if you're doing raised beds, anything like that. Perfect house all across the board for everything that you're going to do, even if it's a market grower or if it's at home grower. The nice thing about this series is we offer it in 10-foot and 16 and 20 and 24 and 30 and 32-foot widths. Now, the series I'm in front of right now is called the Dakota Series, and we offer those in 8-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot, and 16-foot in widths. And as you can see, this house, we haven't gotten plastic on it yet, the poly. So you can see how tough the brackets are on it. This is one of our newest series of houses. And once again, we've made this thing as bulletproof as possible with extra supports. It does well in high winds and high snow, just like the Glacier does. It's perfect for if you're a hobby gardener, or if you're just wanting to grow at home and you want the A-frame peak style, because a lot of people don't realize this, but in certain HOAs, you cannot have a rounded roof structure on your property. Therefore, that's where this design came from. We had too many complaints that our houses weren't going to work in their residential area, so we made a peak style house. That way they can buy a house now. And this series that I'm in front of is our most common series. It's one that we started. This is actually the oldest house that we've ever had up on property here. This house has been here for 13 years now and it's still holding up strong. Now, obviously, we've had to change out the plastic in that time, but the frame itself has withstood blizzards and tornadoes and a lot of high winds that this area gets. So that's one thing to keep in mind. It's also very budget friendly. Out of all the houses, it comes in 16 foot, 20 foot, 24 foot, and 28 foot widths. And it is all 1 3/8 pipe instead of 1 5/8 pipe. Now, one thing I didn't cover earlier is that every single one of our houses is compatible with our roll-up side systems and all of our roll-up doors. And our roll-up doors we offer are 10 foot, 8 foot, and now we're getting ready to launch the 6 foot width.